Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Kal Arif bin Chairil Anwar. I'm a year 6 student from SK Sungai Rambai. My hobby is reading books. I love reading books, especially before my bedtime. Today, I'm going to do a book review on a book entitled Puss in Boots. This book has a delightful retelling of a classic fairy tale for a new generation. This book also has a brightly and imaginatively illustrated and interactive story encourages young children to read, write, and observe. I love this book because it's colorful and has a lot of pages. Like the miller's three sons live in an old mill house. The oldest son owns the mill. The middle son owns the donkey, but the youngest son owns nothing but the father's cat. I love the pages because it's colorful. It's also very nice, good artwork, and an interesting story. The story starts when a miller leaves his youngest son but a cat in his own will. Feeling disappointed, the young man realized the cat can speak and talk. Puss then asked him to buy boots and a bag. Then Puss goes and schemes his journey to make his master rich. Through trickery, Puss used his cunningness to win the favor of a king, deceive a wealthy ogre, and arrange a marriage between his master and the king's daughter. The charmness in Puss lies in his mind and intelligence, which proves to us that that using your intelligence and strategy is more powerful than physical affection. Throughout the tale, readers are fond for loyalty, creativity, and the idea that even the smallest and the weakest thing can create big opportunities. This tale has light-hearted and full of harmony. Puss in Boots is a tale that has amazed all of ages around the whole world, which is why it is found in the world of fairy tales. Fun fact, this book is created from China. It is also retold by Janet Brown. And lastly, Puss, and lastly, Puss in Boots is a classic fairy tale. It's a fun, clever, and adventurous story about a cat who, with a bit of wit and cleverness, helps his poor master rise from poverty to wealth and success. Well, that well, that's from me. Thank you.